Hello, lovelies! Looking for a delicious homemade fun treats for your kids or for their special birthday parties? In this video, I will show you how to make creamy custard ice cream. Your kids will absolutely love it. It is a very simple, sweet, and easy to follow recipe. So, if this is what you're interested in, let's get started. First thing first, I'll be going in with 1 cup of custard powder. I'm using banana flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. You can also use a plain custard. So I'll be measuring 1 cup of custard powder, and I'll dissolve this with cold water. Just add a little bit of water that will be able to dissolve the custard powder. Not too much, just the quantity that will be able to dissolve the amount of custard powder you have. Stir vigorously to avoid any lump. So after stirring, you go in with a very hot boiling water. Mix gradually and add the water while also mixing the mixture. So add and mix till you form a paste. Once you get to this texture, give it a good mix and go in with more water so that it will lighten up the paste. Once you've gotten this texture, you set this aside. Now for our second ingredient, I'll be using 3 ground milk. So I'll be going in with 1 cup of 3 ground milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'll be adding 1 cup of milk into my bowl. And I will dissolve this milk with hot water. If you want your ice cream to be very creamy, you can make this 2 cup of milk instead of 1. Transfer your milk into the custard bowl and give it a vigorous mix. Mix till the milk is fully incorporated in the custard paste. So for our next ingredient, we'll be going in with 1 cup of condensed milk. Give it also a good mix. Next, I will be adding vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and also I'll mix this together. Once you've gotten this texture, at this point, I'll be sieving out the mixture. After sieving, I will transfer my mixture to my jug and my bowl. So in this ice cream, I'm making 2 different colors of ice cream. So I'll be adding food coloring. I'll be adding my orange food coloring to change the color of my ice cream. So I'll be adding this to the one in the bowl. I'm using only honey dripper to add my food color. So you can add any food color of your choice. I'm using orange. You can get pink, purple, whatsoever color you desire, and change the color of your ice cream. So guys, if you watched to this point, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do let me know if you will try this recipe. So this is what it looks, the colored and the one I did not put color. So I'll be transferring this to my nylon. So what do you guys call this ice cream in your country? Please, I would like to know, because when I was growing up, we normally call this ice cream Mickey Mickey. And this custard ice cream that we call Mickey Mickey back then was a very popular ice cream, and it was a nice treat for kids. And the children of then, I don't know about now, we actually love this ice cream. What do you guys normally call this ice cream back home? This ice cream, whenever I'm making this ice cream, it reminds me of my childhood. I don't know if you have any name that you people call this ice cream on your side. So this is after tying, I'm transferring it into my refrigerator, and I will leave it there for 16 hours. And after 16 hours, this is my ice cream. The kids love it. Even adults, they were dragging this ice cream. This ice cream tastes really good. You can make this ice cream at home whenever you're having occasion and distribute to your guests or your children birthday parties. So guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.